back here with my MK3 vr6 Jetta. It's another day. Remember, we had the intermediate shaft bearing went bad, which means I have to replace my block. So we got a new block. Got the car here. Got a new block, and we're going to be taking this motor apart again and rebuilding it with a new block with a better intermediate shaft that's not broke. So stay tuned, and here we go. Alright guys, so this is the motor that's going to be coming out. Got the headers and everything disconnected. Everything's pretty much disconnected. All the coolant, strain, oils drain. Exhaust is off. So we're gonna get that guy out of there once we hook up that guy right there. Right here we got the new block. This is the block I'm going to be using. As you can see, here's the intermediate shaft where that would go. Here's the bearing in there, and that one is perfect. So this is the block we're going to use. Needs some major cleaning up, but that'll be done. Got big Philly here. Let's get it done. You don't know nothing about this song, right? Nope, sure don't.
Coldplay? What the fuck is going on now? I don't know this shit. Just because you here. You get me all this white shit.
Whatever you say, brother. I was into it too. Yo, can you pass me the box with all the bolts? I don't hate, brother. I don't hate. I participate.
Coldplay is my shit though.
Brother Nipsey. Brother Nipsey Hussle. Oh. Yo, I'm gonna need my other extension.
I know.
And the motor gonna have to jack up.
There you go.
mother sucker.
Huh?
Fucking two came over.
Pistons go.
Alright guys, so we got the head off. Damn. Why did the bearing in that freaking intermediate shaft have to go bad? What a fucking good block. Excuse my language. Got the head over here. Pretty clean.
At least you got hit one time for your mind one time.
So next up, we're gonna get this block up out of here and get to the switching. So as you guys can see, pistons are removed, head's gone. Just a bare block sitting there. Got the head over here, the pistons over here as well. Got the pistons right here. We got the new block over here, so we'll start on that. Start breaking that one down, but that one is easy. It's already mostly apart already. Train's over there. So yeah guys, that's where we're at. So what's going on YouTube? So here's the end of the video. We're pretty much wrapping it up for today. We pretty much got the pistons, pull out the block, oil pan, oil pump, everything removed, the heads off. So guys, this is lost footage that I found, but in this next clip you'll see me driving the car, gonna see the car starting. Then you're gonna see me go for a little drive. We got everything done, rebuilt the whole entire motor top to bottom. It's running good, amazing. The next step is to start preparing the vehicle for the track, okay? 2020, man, that car is gonna be hitting the track as much as possible. We're gonna break stuff, we're gonna learn stuff, but this is what I'm trying to do in 2020. I'm trying to hit the track, I'm trying to be with my V-Dub family and my car guys, and you know what I'm saying, and enjoy it. So stay tuned. Last minute touch up. We good, we running. Damn fans is working. Cooling lights on, don't know why though. You heard, this the cockpit. Cockpit. Race ready. Jetta things, you heard? so there you have it. It's the end of the video. The car is moving on its own power, driving. It felt good. Had some noises that I'll check out, but the car was sitting for over a year, so I'm pretty sure there's little things that probably need to be done. But guys, that VR sound mean. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Let's go 2020. We out.